Let's go check out.
Attention super-duper market shoppers. Unfortunately, our checkout system isn't working, so please be patient as I check you out by hand. I am not as fast as the computer.
Alert for Tennessee.
Oh no!
The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation has issued a statewide Tennessee Blue Alert for Stephen Joshua Wiggins.
Oh, I wish there was a way for us to help Mr. Rivera go a little
County
faster.
Sheriff's Office and the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation in Nashville, Tennessee, in the shooting death of a Dixon County deputy on May 30th, 2018.
What you thinking, Pumpkin?
Wiggins should be
There was
considered armed and
someone who
dangerous.
could memorize the prices
If you
of
have
everything in the
information
store
concerning Wiggins,
and add them up
please
really,
contact
really
the
fast.
Tennessee Bureau of
Then
Investigation
they
in
can help
Nashville,
take everyone
Tennessee
out
at
faster.
1000 TVI
Someone like steal.
Let's go! Hi, Mr. Rivera. Highlight.
Hi, Lyla. Hi,
Read with
Stu.
me.
Good to see you, but I'm a little busy at the
Lost her
moment.
sheep
That's
and
why
does
we're
not
here.
know where to
Stu can
find
help.
them.